Hi, I look stupid because I have a low ponytail. Hold on. Okay, so I wore a beanie today. Did I show my outfit? I didn't show my outfit today. It was like poppin', in my opinion. Alright, this is my outfit. I wore my mom's shirt because I like this shirt a lot. I wore a long sleeve under because it was cold. I didn't wear a sweater because I'm stupid and it was freezing. And then I'm wearing my Fashion Nova pants that I need to throw away ASAP. And then I wore my Neff beanie because it just really went well together. Okay, right now I'm gonna upload my video. I'm switching the way I upload since I skipped a day. I'm going to start uploading like yesterday's vlog the day, and then, you know, like today's the 14th, I'm uploading the 13th. Tomorrow's the 15th, I'm uploading the 14th. You know what I mean? So that's what's happening now. That's how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I have a lot going on. Get a look on his legs. Are they dangling like I think they are?
Yeah, they're pretty lit. He looks like a deer in the headlights.
Or his eyes huge?
Yes.
He was going crazy, so I just picked him up. Look at him. I love him. Okay, I'm gonna let him go.
That's my fault. Dude, I want one of these cold. Out the mouth. Okay.
Should we go outside?
I don't know what. No, I'm scared.
Yes. Are you serious?
No. Okay. Pack. What is your favorite part of The Nightmare Before Christmas?
My favorite part is either when she's like, "You're Jack Skellington," and then she like puts the Santa over it, and he's like, "No, you gotta do it this way." I don't know, it just, that part's really cool. And then the other part, when he gets to Christmas Town, and he's walking around, he's just like, "What's going on?" And then he's like, "What's this? What's this?" Look. That's my life. It goes good, and then it's like,
It's like, girl, you thought.
Bean.
Dude, I love this shirt. So sexy.
Hi. Ow.
Oh.
Oh, you're so cute like this. Oh God, never mind. Hi. I just got home like 20 minutes ago from the movies with my friends, and now I'm ending this vlog, which is yesterday's vlog, Friday. Today's Saturday. But this vlog is literally 3 minutes and something seconds. So I just wanted to explain myself. I didn't vlog that much on Friday. It just didn't happen. I fell asleep at like 2 in the morning on the couch, and then I had to get ready today. So, and then I was gone all day. And then yesterday I had school. School's work really has me stressed, and I have so much. When I get home, if we're going out more like to my aunt's house or something today, when I get home, I'm gonna start working on a bunch of homework, studying, making flashcards, etc. Yeah, also, I didn't really explain it in the vlog, but I'm gonna be posting, like, today is Saturday, I'm posting Friday's vlog. Tomorrow's Sunday, I'm gonna be posting Saturday's vlog, etc. You know, you get it. I say etc. too much. But yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog because it just kind of ended abruptly with Bean. So yeah, I'll see you guys in today's vlog tomorrow. Like today's set. Okay, I just made that confusing. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.